तो जब आप किसी को मिलते हैं आप एक रूपरेखा अपने दिमाग में बना पाते हैं?
Correct, exactly.
You
No, I
have
think
10 seconds to answer. Tick tick 1 quickly. Tick tick 2.
नहीं, you are pretty. You dress modernly well. अभी हमको मार्केट बना है तो सीक्वल 2 में मैं खुद एक्ट करूंगा.
अगर किसी में आप जिसे अगर लोग तो आप नहीं होगा.
In my wife's second month of pregnancy, we froze the name Naina because she said we will get a daughter who would be your future eyes. My mind cannot sit idle even for a minute. So those guys will keep on going left, right. I'll simply ask them, can you come to the actual topic?
But now you have to stop demanding it, Shrikant ji. Now it's over. It is now about expanding. It is not about growing.
Stress and depression ये जिंदगी में exist करता ही नहीं. It's a medical mafia, I think.
Correct.
The minute they see you, it says, oh shit, why is this guy coming into my office? How would I even meet him? Should I shake his hand?
You said I bully the bully.
फंडा एक ही है जिंदगी में. अगर कोई 4 मारेगा तो कम से कम वापस तो 2 तो मारना ही है.
कभी धोखा मिला है? You know?
धोखा तो हमेशा मिलता है मैम. Human life is all about believing people. I got more than 100 podcast requests so far in the last 6 months, but I never did anything other than this.
नमस्कार एंड मोस्ट वेलकम टू जाने मन विद जय मैदान. जाने मन पर हम लोगों का मन जानते हैं और वो जो मन हम जानते हैं वो हमारे मन को ग्रो करने में, सपोर्ट करने में, बहुत ही ज्यादा मोटिवेट करने में मदद करता है. और आज हम जिनका मन जानेंगे, ही इज अ विजनरी. ही इज नॉट जस्ट अ विजनरी, ही इज अ मैनिफेस्टर. जी हाँ, ये शब्द मैं बहुत कम लोगों के लिए बोलती हूँ, बट इस लाइफ इज नॉट लेस देन दैट. और ये आप भी देखेंगे हम कैसे जिंदगी में अगेंस्ट ऑड्स जाकर मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं, ये हम इनसे सीखेंगे. ये मैजिकल क्वालिटी ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन इनके पास है. सो आई वांट यू टू वेलकम विथ मी श्रीकांत भोला जी. To begin with, to our viewers, I would like to say that he is the only I'm sorry, but I hate this word because many of us have eyes and we are blind. And he's a visionary, but that's a horrible word what people have tagged him on. But he's a person who's visionary, but yet not able to see and is a billionaire. So, मैंने इसको थोड़ा लंबा कर दिया, but that's the only way I could best put it up unless you have another term for it.
नहीं, thank you so much. मुझे बहुत खुशी है आज आपसे मिलके और सब व्यूअर्स के लिए नमस्कार.
So sweet. आपसे ज्यादा खुशी मुझे है because हम हिंदी में एक कहावत है, we tell it to people कि अकल के अंधे, where we say that if your brain is not working in a correct way,
Correct.
you're blind by your mind. आप एक चीज में धुन पकड़ लेते हो, blinded हो जाते हो. Love is blind कहते हैं. But vision has nothing to do with eyes. It's something you are born to prove.
मैं तो वही तो सोच रहा था कि जब आपने इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा था मुझे कि मैं विजुअली चैलेंज्ड या ब्लाइंड या कुछ भी, आई थिंक नथिंग अप्लाइज टू मी बिकॉज आई मे बी साइट इम्पेयर्ड बट आई एम फुली एबल्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ विजन. सब लोग कहता कि विजन और साइट एक ही है. एक्चुअली वो गलत है. विजन इज ओनली प्योरली फॉर द बॉडी है, जिसके बगैर हम लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. अगर विजन प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं है या इफ वी डोंट रियलाइज आवर विजन और वी डोंट हैव इट, आई डोंट थिंक वी कैन डू एनीथिंग अदर देन eating and sleeping and just wandering around. So when the vision is purely tied to the mind, and when the vision as an object cannot be seen, that means it doesn't have any disability or limitation. Therefore मेरे में कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है और मेरा विजन इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर है माइंड में से. उसी से मैं देखता हूँ, उसी से मैं विजुअलाइज करता हूँ, उसी से मैं जीता हूँ. क्योंकि आप लोग जो भी आपके सामने है वो देख सकते हैं विद द आई साइट, बट विजन के थ्रू यू कैन सी द वर्ल्ड बियॉन्ड योर ह्यूमन आई कैन सी. दैट इज वाई मैंने हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि जहाँ आपका साइट एंड हो जाता है और जहाँ आपका सोच बंद हो जाता है, वहीं मेरा साइट, वहीं मेरा विजन और मेरा सोच शुरू हो जाता है. I think
Beautiful.
that is where it begins, and that is why I am one of the lucky ones, because the setbacks I had in life, or all the time hearing no, or all the time facing insults or criticism,
Hmm.
is what made me today what is Shrikant Bola. Because if people would not have said no, if people would not have challenged me, अगर वो लोग मुझे मेरा ताकत को टेस्ट नहीं करता था ना शुरू से ही,
Hmm.
I don't think I would have become what I am today.
So ये आज आप हैं, and what is your running age, श्रीकांत जी?
33.
Beautiful number. So अब
वो
हम
तो अभी तो ओल्ड एज भी हो रहा है, ओल्ड हो जा रहा हूँ.
old 33 पे old. This is the time when you'll just start to blossom. What are you saying?
But in terms of
You don't
energy,
look
yes.
old. No, in mental, physical, in any way. You look very young. You look very chirpy, and you look very, very good, very handsome.
मैं बट अगर मैं अच्छा दिखता हूँ तो राजकुमार राव की जगह मुझे देना था मौका एक्ट करने के लिए.
और ये आप अपने आप को पुश ही नहीं किया, आप करते तो फिर कर देते ना वो. Sometimes one
चलो
has to
ठीक है.
push.
नहीं, इसको मार्केट है, हमको मार्केट नहीं था, अभी हमको मार्केट बना है, तो सीक्वल टू में मैं खुद एक्ट करूंगा.
I like this spirit. तो मुझे एक बात बताइए, 33 से हम 30 इयर्स माइनस करके चलते हैं. जब आप 3 साल के थे, पहली बार आपको ये रियलाइज हुआ था कि कुछ ऐसा है जो मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. तब तो एज अ चाइल्ड आपको समझ में भी, एंड यू हैव अ वेरी शार्प मेमोरी, मतलब आप कुछ भी नहीं भूले हैं जब से थोड़ा सा भी होश संभाला है से लेकर अब तक. एवरीथिंग इज देयर एम्बेडेड इन योर सिस्टम. दैट इज हाउ यू आर. इट्स एच्ड इन योर मेमोरी.
यस.
सो ये 3 साल के श्रीकांत को जब ऐसा लगा कि मैं देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मुझे छूकर चीजों को महसूस करना पड़ रहा है, या किसी और सेंस ऑर्गन पे बहुत ज्यादा पुश करना पड़ रहा है, हाउ वाज द फीलिंग ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि कुछ मिसिंग है?
नहीं, एक्चुअली लोग सोचता है कि कुछ मिसिंग है मेरे
नहीं,
में.
आपने तब कैसे सोचा?
वही, वो लोग सोचता है कि कोई सेंस ऑर्गन प्रॉपर तरीके से काम नहीं कर रहा तो कुछ मिसिंग है. लेकिन मुझे बचपन से ही मेरे में ऐसा आदत हो गया कि मेरा माइंड ऐसा ट्यून्ड हो गया कि मेरे में कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है, और दिखना विद द आईज वाज नेवर एन ऑप्शन फॉर मी. तो मुझे वो ऐसा नहीं लगा कभी भी, आज भी 3 साल में भी, कभी भी
कि आपकी जरूरत है.
मैं आई एम नॉट लाइक, बट कभी भी इन दिस लास्ट 33 years, in spite of facing the adversities, even when I was put through the most gruesome challenge, उस टाइम पे भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मेरे में आंख नहीं है, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो, बट आई एम फुली हैप्पी. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा ठीक था पहले से ही. एंड व्हेन आई वाज बोर्न, मुझे मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन पूरा दुनिया बोल रहा था मेरा पेरेंट्स को कि भाई इसको मार दो, या वापस दे दीजिए भगवान को, या कुछ कर दो, ये कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, तेरे लिए वो बर्डन बन जाएगी. लेकिन माय पेरेंट्स वर वेरी वेरी क्लियर इन देयर माइंड कि यस, टुडे ही मे बी ए जीरो, टुडे ही मे नॉट हैव आईसाइट, बट टुमारो आप सब लोगों के लिए ये एक इंस्पिरेशन और प्रेरणा बन जाएगा, और एक वर्ल्ड के लिए भी एक आइकॉन बन जाएगा. जिसमें होप नहीं है, जिसको होप नहीं है उसको होप बनेगा, जिसमें ताकत नहीं है उसको ताकत बनेगा, जिसमें इंस्पिरेशन का कमी है, जिसका हौसला कमी है उसको हौसला बनेगा, उसका होप बनेगा, और उसको एक रोल मॉडल बनेगा. वो क्लैरिटी मेरा पेरेंट्स में बचपन से ही था. I think maybe that's what is inspired me to grow into an individual where I never felt like I have any limitation. मैंने जब छोटा था, नारियल, यहाँ आपको ऑफिस में नारियल पानी जब पी रहा, तो मैं याद कर रहा था कि अरे यार यही नारियल मैं खुद तोड़ के पी रहा था, अभी तो ग्लास में से पी रहा हूँ, लेकिन वहां से सीधा होल मार के वहीं ऊपर बैठ के पी लेता था.
आप पेड़ पे चढ़ते थे?
एब्सोल्युटली.
मतलब
मैंने 2 बार गिर गया, फिर भी बंद नहीं हुआ मेरा प्रयास. कभी भी मेरा, जितना बार गिरता हूँ उतना बार उठता हूँ. वही मेरा में, देखो मेरे में हर आदमी में 2 रेस्पॉन्स होता है. एक तो है फ्लाइट रेस्पॉन्स,
करेक्ट,
एक तो है
फाइट रेस्पॉन्स. यू आर अ फाइटर.
यस. तो मेरे में कभी भी फ्लाइट का ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. कि मैं भाग नहीं सकता हूँ, सिर्फ लड़ ही सकता हूँ. तो आई थिंक दैट DNA was etched into my brain when I was born. Maybe that is what allowed me to climb trees, pluck everything, then drive tractors, do the paddy harvesting, paddy cut करना, so वो agriculture farming process देखना, मेडिसिन को दूध नजदीक से देखना, स्प्रेइंग देख, सब कुछ सीखा हूं मैं। मेरे में एक आदत और है जिससे मैं इतना अच्छा बना हूं अभी तक कि आई एम वेरी वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग अराउंड मी। अगर कुछ भी मैं इंटरेस्टिंग देखता हूँ ना,
तो आप उसको सीखने की इच्छा
हाँ,
जागती है।
जब तक सीखता हूँ नहीं तब तक मैं छोड़ता हूँ नहीं। एंड टुडे अभी जस्ट जब आया था तो एक परफ्यूम का स्मेल अच्छा आ रहा था, मैं आपको सीधा आके सैंपल भी ले चुका। that is how my brain works, because I want to learn. If I find anything interesting, I definitely want to learn and make sure I win over people. अगर कोई बोलता था अरे यार तेरे से ये नहीं होगा, that is all that I need.
And then you're like fire.
Exactly. To become powerful.
I know, I have the same rush of blood. जब मुझे कोई कहता है ये नहीं करना, तब मैं कहती हूँ आप तो ये बिना करे मैं रुकूंगी नहीं।
तो सीधा एड्रेनलिन भागेगा ब्रेन पे।
Correct.
और बोलेगा भाई ये तू ही कर सकता है।
तो मुझे अब दो बातें बताइए। जब आपको हमारे यहाँ IIT में रिजेक्शन मिला और उन्होंने कहा दैट यू नो यू आर नॉट फिट टू डू इट,
रिजेक्शन नहीं मिला, सिर्फ IIT अकेला थोड़ी है ना,
कहाँ से
रिजेक्शन हर जगह से मिलता है, हर जगह से मुझे रिजेक्शन ही मिली है। जब मेरा बर्थ इटसेल्फ वाज चैलेंज्ड, देन मैंने जब स्कूल जा रहा था, नोबडी एक्नॉलेज माय प्रेजेंस। मैंने 5 किलोमीटर डेली भाग दौड़ करता था, स्कूल जाता था विदाउट द प्रिविलेज ऑफ आईसाइट। मेरा पूरी सेंस ऑर्गन्स अच्छा डेवलप हुए हैं, दे बिकेम मोर एक्टिव टू सेव मी फ्रॉम एनी ट्रबल्स। और लकीली सब कुछ अच्छा हुआ। मैं डेली जाता था विदाउट इवन एनीवन एक्नॉलेजिंग दैट आई एम देयर इन द स्कूल। दे नेवर ट्रीटेड मी लाइक ए ह्यूमन बीइंग। मैंने लास्ट बेंच में बैठता था, उसी टाइम मुझे ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि मैं आई एम द लोनलीएस्ट चाइल्ड इन दिस वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि मुझे जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन से जो लोनलीनेस मिली है, that was the time I felt like this should not happen to anybody.
But then
and I should.
What you used to do जब स्कूल में ऐसा होता था और कोई बात नहीं करता था या बच्चे मजाक उड़ाते थे, how could you cope up every day going to the same school again?
Exactly. So मैंने जाता था लास्ट बेंच में बैठ के, फिर भी अच्छा सुनता था और सबसे पहले मैं आंसर देता था, फिर भी no one wanted to talk to me, no one wanted to recognize. And जब मैंने सबसे पहले आंसर देना चालू किया एक बार, तो स्टूडेंट्स वर वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि सर ने हमको गुस्सा कर रहा है, ये श्रीकांत आंसर दे रहा, तो इसको बॉल से मारेंगे। तो एक दिन भाई चलो खेलेंगे बोल के मुझे धोखा दे के बॉल से मारा है। उसी टाइम मैंने सोचा कि ये जिस बॉल से मैं मार खाया हूँ, उसी बॉल को मैं बाउंड्री के बाहर फेंक दूंगा थ्रू बैट। एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड मैं इंडिया के लिए एक दिन खेलूंगा। And I think from वहीं से मेरा प्रेरणा मिली है। See, as I said earlier, जहाँ मैं नेगेटिविटी देखता हूँ, जहाँ इंसल्ट खाता हूँ, जहाँ क्रिटिसिज्म खाता हूँ, I think वहीं मैं सॉल्यूशन ढूंढ लेता हूँ। अगर वो बॉल से अगर नहीं मारता था उस टाइम पे, मेरे में एक क्रिकेटर पैदा नहीं होता था आज। I think अगर सब लोग मजाक नहीं उड़ाते थे, then I would not have become a good student and gone on to study at prestigious schools. I think it is the insults and no that made me what I am today. Every time someone says no, I hear it as yes. Every time someone says failure, that is something that sticks to me and says, how can I do it better? How can I embrace failure? How can I motivate myself to go beyond the box and then make it work? I think that is the beauty in me that had enabled me to keep going against everyday criticism. अगर मुझे everyday मारोगे, फिर भी I don't get tired. I will become even tougher. I think that's how my DNA was made. I think that's why I'm very happy at the people who have criticized me. I love people who have beat me in the past. I love people who said I cannot do this, I cannot do that, because they are my best well wishers, because they made me realize my inner potential.
तो श्रीकांत जी, स्कूल से कुछ दोस्त वापस आए अब दोस्ती करने के लिए, now that you're a billionaire?
नहीं, उसके पहले बहुत पहले आ चुका है। अभी तो बिलियनर नहीं है मैम। यस, I am a man of billions at heart.
Hmm.
पैसा में नहीं है, because I truly believe compassion is what makes you rich as a person.
I completely agree.
This is what I have learned from my own parents, because they, in spite of their arts, in spite of their financial difficulties, they were able to give me everything that they could. In spite of their lack of exposure to the world, they gave me everything and gave me good life. So they are the ones who had taught me the word of the meaning of compassion. But now I'm taking that legacy and trying to make people happy and richer and inclusive by removing loneliness, which is a poverty in my own way. Because when you make people feel lonely,
Hmm.
that's when they feel poor. They feel like they don't have anything. So if you make them feel happier, and if you make someone belong to where they are, if you make someone feel like they are empathized and empowered and inspired, I think that's when they feel inclusive, part of the society, happy. That's when you can achieve your meaning of compassion and meaning of removing your loneliness.
So what is your biggest goal? अभी goal क्या है अपना? क्या किस तरफ काम कर रहे हैं हम? I'm sure it's
I
not
think-
money that is inspiring you.
Correct. See, as I said, if I do something good for someone, it will benefit me. I will be the first beneficiary. ये तो मैं लाइफ में बहुत पहले सीख चुका हूँ.
Hmm.
So that's why I never run after money.
Hmm.
In fact, money doesn't excite me, but it's the impact and the innovation and disruption that excites me in whatever I do. If I make 100 people happier, 1% happier on me, or 100 people happier on me, that's what makes me to sleep peacefully.
Are you sure people around you stay happy?
Oh yes,
You're a tough boss.
no, of course, I am a tough boss with great heart, loving heart, and smiling face, and empathy is what makes everyone belong.
But you are a
to me.
perfectionist. जब काम ठीक से नहीं करते हैं आपके
वो बहुत
co-workers,
डांटते
तो
हैं,
फिर
बहुत
आप
डांटता हूँ.
फिर
फिर भी मैं प्यार भी उतना ही देता हूँ.
हम्म,
जितना डांटता हूँ उतना ही प्यार. मैं बिलीव करता हूँ कि प्रोफेशनली people should perform to their full ability, and when they are out of work, they are treated differently. I think that's why people love me. मैं जिसको मारता हूँ उसी को खिलाता हूँ, ऐसा. मतलब love and perfection goes together with.
मतलब punishment के बाद reward देते हैं.
पनिशमेंट वैसा तो नहीं देते हैं,
हाँ.
लेकिन डांटता हूँ कि परफेक्ट होने के लिए.
ठीक.
But प्यार तो साथ में मिल जाता है. I
मुझे
think,
बताइए आपकी फर्स्ट कंपनी को फंडिंग रतन टाटा जी से मिला. आपकी मुलाकात हुई कभी उनसे?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मोस्टली नॉट. मैंने एक बार ब्रीफली मिला था, बाकी ज्यादा टाइम मिल नहीं पाया था क्योंकि he had no time those days, and we used to interact with mostly with his office. And again, रतन टाटा का जो जर्नी है वो इन्वेस्टमेंट का नहीं है, वो सिर्फ जर्नी की बात है. क्योंकि whatever the minimal investments that the minimal investment.
But what a
that he
boost.
made- Yes, exactly. So he said one thing, Shrikant ji, I have never seen entrepreneurs who are in the long game, who had a skin in the game. Entrepreneurs are driven by fancy valuations, much more, and other things. But you are a man who is trying to make something different, trying to make a change, or trying to make the change felt across the domain. And what you're doing is simply creating a ripple that would have impact on multiple sectors of India. That is why I want to share that journey with you. And you're the first company in my portfolio from a non-tech side. That's what he said to me few words.
Beautiful.
Because I truly believe entrepreneurship is like a spiritual journey. Ultimately, it is a very lonely path. And it is so lonely that people do not understand, but we understand why do we take huge risks and make a lot of sacrifices and put ourselves through a roller coaster. Because, even today, my father doesn't understand this fact. All that he cares is how much did you earn. So if you go and ask him, he would simply smile and say, I want him to get a government job and get married to a pretty girl.
But you're already married to a pretty girl.
वो इतना आसान, उतना difficult नहीं है कि because I'm blessed, I'm married to a pretty girl of my choice.
But tell me, how did you knew that she's pretty? How could you feel she's pretty?
I can see her inner beauty. I don't need to see. I don't need to understand how pretty the person is by looking only at their face. the beauty, the actual beauty is what lies inside.
I agree to that. And who would
Because-
know better than you?
Exactly.
Who would know better?
Because
बट जब
see-
आप किसी को मिलते हैं, जैसे आपने बहुत ब्रीफली रतन जी को मिला, अपनी वाइफ, शी इज वेरी प्रिटी, आई हैव सीन द पिक्चर, बट व्हेन यू मीट
and I
समबडी,
can also guess the height and other things.
यस आई एम
based on the
एग्जैक्टली कमिंग टू दैट
आवाज,
क्वेश्चन.
uh,
तो जब आप किसी को मिलते हैं, आप एक रूपरेखा अपने दिमाग में बना पाते हैं.
correct, exactly.
तो एक बार बताइए
तो आप लोग
मेरी
तो-
रूपरेखा.
आप लोग तो you can only see and understand.
We just
person.
pause. I
Yes.
agree to it.
Yes.
We just
So
pause.
I, based on the way they conduct themselves, the way they behave, the warmth, the way of receiving, manner in which they approach you, the way they speak, everything counts.
And you're able to create a sketch in your head.
Exactly. Picturize a sketch which is vividly clear in my mind.
इट इज सो अमेजिंग. तो मुझे एक बार मेरा स्केच बताइए. अभी तो 1 घंटा हो गया हमको बात करते हुए. मैंने आपका हाथ देखना है, आपने मुझे अपनी आर्ट सिखानी है. सो प्लीज, आई एम वेटिंग. You
No, I
have
think-
you have 10 seconds to answer. Tick tick 1 quickly. Tick tick 2.
I think you are a noble soul, and
तारीफ मत कीजिए ना, रूपरेखा बताइए.
no,
Please.
you're pretty, and you dress modernly well, and you're pretty, and you are a great. You can see the aura of a person. You like your surroundings and places very lively and refreshing. I think that's what I have observed.
And how could you figure out that I dress modernly?
वैसे आप ही बोला था एक पिक्चर तो बन गया रूपरेखा, उसी से मालूम पड़ जाएगा.
This is amazing. It's unbelievable. And आप बचपन में ड्राइंग भी करते थे, और आपने मुझे कहा
हाँ,
सन
all
मून
the-
ग्रास
I used
करता
to
था.
I used to do very rough sketches. से सब लोग मुझे मजाक भी उड़ाते थे, अरे यार हमेशा तू पूरा पेपर पे ग्रीन कलर भर दिया, ये क्या है? मैं बोलता था अरे यार भाई देख, ये तो ग्रास है, ये तो स्काई है, ये तो सन एंड मून है, ये तो घर है, पेड़ है. ये एक नेचर का ड्राइंग मुझे करना अच्छा लगता था. सिर्फ वही किया लास्ट एंड फर्स्ट. अभी तो कुछ करने का टाइम और ये नहीं, लेकिन अभी तो मैं I may not draw with my sketch, but I can picturize people in my mind
Mhm.
with their abilities and the way they come out and all that.
And when
stuff.
you
So-
go to a place, जैसे अभी हम नीला होटल की बात कर रहे थे,
Uh-huh.
you're able to understand that
Yes.
this is a premium property.
Yes, you can get the aura of the place the minute you step into it. I don't know how, but I can easily sense it. Ki, yes, this is the property, I like it. Even before going to the room and checking the facilities, I can preconceive whether this is the place that I belong or not belong.
Oh, beautiful.
I mean, the minute you are in the lobby, you know how the lobby smells, how the ambience are sounding, how people are moving here and there. Is it a great lively place? Is it a sad place? Is it a cold, quiet? See, some places are quieter and nicer. Some places are little ambient in terms of slight noisy, lively. So it all depends from place to place.
तो आपके ऑफिस का जब इंटीरियर हुआ, घर का इंटीरियर हुआ,
Mhm.
did you had any inputs to give?
Oh yeah, of course. I tell them I don't need bulky. I need all flat corners, and I don't need this way. I like lot of wood to be used. I like lot of warm lighting. So I keep telling all.
Oh
these
wow! And you
Because-
also any color preferences that you have?
things. Yes. So I mean different color preferences, but I like parrot green the most.
Oh wow!
I think I associate with that color.
And do you smell and understand it's parrot green?
No, but I can. So one of the things is I can see colors.
Okay.
Because my eye, the microphthalmos issue is the problem that I have.
Hmm.
Cornea is absent. I have no vision. The sight,
Huh?
I cannot see anything, but I can see colors because rods and cones are independent of cornea. So your rods and cones is what makes you see colors. I think they are slightly okay.
Okay.
So I can see colors from a close distance.
Do you know why you like parrot green?
Because it's nature. It is a nature, and I love nature.
It's a
and-
color of growth.
Correct. It's a color of prosperity.
Correct.
You're right. Yes.
It's a color of
prosperity.
growth, because
Correct.
when we have to identify growth,
Yes.
we only see plants because
Correct.
they grow
Correct.
with little sunshine and with no effort of human being. They just grow.
I love being in nature. I love being in forests, birds chirping, and lot of natural noises, waters rolling, rumbling. Those kind of places is what I really like to spend my time. and in fact, I am waiting to build my dream house, a small farmhouse, which should be surrounded by a huge lake and forest.
Oh,
I think
beautiful.
that's the way I have already visualized it.
Amazing.
And
Are you romantic by heart?
of course, yes,
Yes.
of course.
Did you dated anybody before you married
No.
you? No.
I think I was brought up mostly in boarding school, where in Hyderabad, where I
Hmm.
studied with girls and boys.
Hmm.
I think we used to be very, very friendly in the boarding school, because we were surrounded by four walls. We never had this opinion of boyfriend girlfriends. We always had the feel of brotherly sisterlyhood. So basically, I never had any. I never
Emotions.
looked at a girl from that emotional perspective. And then after that, पूरा जिंदगी मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ मेरा जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गया, क्योंकि मुझे एक भी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं था, क्योंकि पूरा हमेशा जब मैंने फर्स्ट ग्रेड चालू किया,
हाँ,
मुझे फर्स्ट रैंक मिला,
हाँ.
देन आई गॉट अ बैज विच सेज क्लास लीडर. तो उसको नहीं खोने के लिए मैं इतना हार्डवर्क किया कि कभी नहीं खोया 10 क्लास तक.
हम्म.
एंड देन आफ्टर दैट मैंने गवर्नमेंट से फाइट करके साइंस लेना पड़ा, उसमें मेहनत करना पड़ा.
हम्म.
एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स
फिर MIT के लिए लड़ाई करना पड़ा.
हाँ,
फिर
करना
कंपनी
पड़ा.
स्टार्ट के लिए लड़ाई करना पड़ा.
सो ये लड़ाई
तब
में
गर्लफ्रेंड का ही टाइम नहीं मिला.
हाँ,
पर आप
लड़ाई
क्यों नहीं
में-
बना लेते? योर वाइफ विल कोऑपरेट और नॉट?
अभी बनाने का कोई जरूरी नहीं है, because I my soul is locked in with a soul. So when your
Beautiful.
soul is locked in with a soul, you're no more interested in physical romance. You're only interested in mental
Emotional
peace
and
and emotional connect.
Correct.
So when the soul is connected, when the heart to heart is connected, then I don't need it. And by the
So-
way, our couple is equally romantic physically as well. So
Yeah.
there's no doubt about it. So
No, I can see that from your hand. आपने नहीं बोल दिखाया तो क्या मतलब मैं देखूंगी नहीं? So आपको पहली डेट में कुछ रोमांटिक फीलिंग का एहसास हुआ? Did you held her hand?
पहली बार जब मैंने
And she was chasing you for years.
yes, so basically मेरा बीबी ने फेसबुक में मैसेज करता रहा, वियर्ड मैसेजेस, वो तो आते ही रहा. देन वी वर
And
इग्नोरिंग.
ये weird message कौन पढ़ता था आपके लिए?
हाँ, कोई नहीं मैं खुद पढ़ता था.
हाँ.
और पहले तो मेरा सेक्रेटरी देखिए, एंड देन
उसने कहा सर मेरे से नहीं होगा, आप खुद ही पढ़ लो.
सर देखो आप खुद ही पढ़ लो. देन आई यूज्ड टू मॉनिटर समटाइम्स कि दिस इज see I am so and so whatever. She's just basically, again, there is a power of manifestation there. So she sometimes she used to send messages as if she's talking to me, as if I'm in front of her.
Really?
तो अभी मैं ऐसा चैप्टर पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ, तो आई थिंक दिस नेम would be good for you. ऐसा कुछ without even someone responding, she's just expressing herself. कि फिर भी मैंने छोड़ दिया कि ये क्या, कौन है पागल ऐसा पीछे पड़ रहा. Because first I thought someone is honey dropping, or maybe AI is doing something.
हाँ.
Then so after that,
तो जब आप पहली बार मिले
टाइम जा
और
रहा
आप
था.
हैदराबाद बुलाए
I'll
उसको,
come back to that.
हम्म.
तो मैंने लंबा टाइम जा रहा था. देन शी वाज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि उन्होंने क्या किया, एक पेंसिल आर्ट का सिस्टम से और बाय हैंड शी यूज्ड टू स्केच ऑल माय फोटोग्राफ्स अवेलेबल इन पब्लिक डोमेन व्हाइल सिटिंग इन द MBBS क्लासरूम. वो मैं अभी भी मैं उसको पुकार लेता हूँ, और यार तुमने अगर यही इंटरेस्ट और इतना ही इंटरेस्ट अगर MBBS में तुम रखता था ना,
तो डॉक्टर बनता.
हर सब्जेक्ट में गोल्ड मेडल आता था. she always says you are my gold medal, I have achieved it. But by the way, she's a very, very smart student, and she got very good scores. She became a doctor. She is a doctor by profession now.
Beautiful.
But अभी तो practice वगैरह नहीं कर रही है, लेकिन she is a doctor. So मैं हमेशा every day I keep teasing her कि तुम्हारा मेडिकल जो डिग्री है वो इंटैक्ट है कि कुछ इंसेक्ट्स खा लिया, क्योंकि कहाँ रखे हो. तो वैसा मैं मजाक करता हूँ. लेकिन while looking at the books of drawings that are coming to my office, everybody started teasing me. That's when मैंने एक weak day या weak moment या सही moment क्या कह सकता, अभी तो कह सकता हूँ एक one of the glorious day, I don't remember unfortunately which day it was, that I told my team to reach out to her and check who she is. And मैंने फादर का नाम पूछो, गाँव पूछो, then once I got the information, मैंने थोड़ा CBI
बैकग्राउंड चेक कराया.
वही CBI inquiry कराया है.
हाँ.
Then everything, all the boxes were ticked. She's a doctor from a good family, brought up well.
But why? How come she got attracted towards you? मतलब what
कोई
happened?
reason नहीं है.
Really?
She says, I have seen a Facebook that one picture of me playing a baseball where the shoulders are lean, personality is taller, lean shoulders. I mean, she also visualized similar partner for her in her life. यही specs मेरे में दिखा है. Somehow that I think love at first sight or वही माई मैडनेस वो फोन में मेरा नाम माई मैडनेस करके सेव करके रखता था. अभी भी वैसा ही सेव करके रखा है. So that's what she says. Something struck, and then I thought, this is a man I feel should be in my life. वहीं से वो मेरे
But आपको कभी अंदाजा था growing up कि आपकी लव मैरिज होगी? Beautiful. This is an amazing power.
And I mean, yeah. So basically, I never felt like I needed someone to fulfill the emotional or whatever needs, right? I mean, I never felt like it in the past, and I never kind of looked into that aspect. I was so focused on what I'm supposed to do, and I think that's what life is all about, right? When you deserve, you will get right things.
Do you exercise?
That's a little bad habit. No. That is the only place where my wife keeps on nudging and scolding me ki you need to do exercise. You need to do exercise. But time mil nahi rahi, yes. But I try to.
You're a mental person. You don't like to physically put yourself to hard work.
Exactly. But my mind, you're absolutely right. My mind cannot sit idle even for a minute.
And you don't like wasting a time.
No,
if you don't like somebody in 30 seconds, you will get up and say, Mera ho gaya.
Oh yeah, absolutely, yes. Absolutely. I will not waste time. मैं अगर कोई मीटिंग में बैठा है, so those guys will keep on going left, right, center, पीछे, आगे, but not coming to the topic. I'll simply ask them, can you come to the actual topic and finish it off quickly? If I like, I spend days together. I really enjoy. And even my friend Puraskar, who had sent me to you, when he said, I am nominating you to the Influential Indians and all. I said, when I looked at what he's doing, that's when I accepted, because I was never on magazine covers. I was never anywhere. I stay away from the media. I don't do podcasts.
अभी तो हमारी बात हुई मूवी करेंगे?
नहीं, not my movie. Generally, media and all. But see, podcast. Believe me, I got more than 100 podcast requests so far in the last 6 months. Some of them are from the top podcasters, but I never did anything other than this. Because
but why here?
I don't know. This Puraskar said, you need to meet this. He says something very weirdly sometimes. He says, you need to meet this person, and then you will understand how charming and how beautiful, how she is. I don't know what script she has. I don't know what it is. You just talk. I think that's when I said, okay.
I hope I haven't disappointed you.
I'm coming to Delhi because you said I will do it. I think, but lovely to meet a great person like you.
And I'm so happy and delighted. And you're a very, very gentle, sweet, and a charmer.
I think you should tell me whether my aura reflects what I'm talking.
Some people are born in this life, I tell them, with a great family background, with a great situation, just to be on the earth for a holiday trip. They spend 75, 80 years of their life doing nothing substantial. And some people are born to be heroes. But how can you be a hero without a struggle, right? The bigger the hero, the bigger the struggle has to be.
Yeah, but मैं तो वही तो बोला हूँ, मैं अभी हीरो थोड़ी बना हूँ, मैं तो बचपन से ही हीरो हूँ.
Correct, because
I faced all the struggles that a hero has to face.
But now you have to stop demanding it, Shrikant ji. Now it's over. It is now about expanding. It is not about growing. एक बिल्डिंग को 100, 150, 200 माले पर भी खड़ा कर सकते हैं, पर बस फिर इसके बाद तो एक्सपेंशन करना है और
Correct.
ऊपर कितना लेकर जाएंगे. सो नाउ नो मोर स्ट्रगल्स एंड नो मोर चैलेंजेस, ओनली
नहीं,
एक्सपेंशन एंड
I
रिजॉइन.
don't think life will exist without struggles because I strongly believe, as I said, it's a roller coaster ride and it will continue. You think, biggest billionaires will not have any struggles? Of course they do. They are vulnerable at heart. They are vulnerable mentally. By all means, I think, see, struggles are meant to be there, but it is in your best interest how you overcome them. I think with your positive approach, with your resilience, and with your dedication. Because see, you may not agree with me. Stress and depression ये जिंदगी में exist करता ही नहीं. People, it's a medical mafia, I think.
करेक्ट.
Because I mean, when you are strong mentally, emotionally, physically, then what is the stress that is haunting
But you
you?
know, most
It
of
is
the
a feeling that we have inside our mind.
correct.
That's it.
Now see, if your parents God sent, they were there to support you.
Yes.
Now if you were like a little boy growing up and your mother says मेरे तो कर्म खराब थे, तुम पैदा हो गए, ये भी नहीं, so that demotivating factor would have been so difficult for you to cope up because you would have not seen the positive part of the life. You would have got out
No.
and searched for it.
No, I have seen worse than that.
Tell
May
me.
not be from parents, but many places. See, people ill treat you. People doesn't know how to interact with you. But okay. One example I'll give you. When I walk into a meeting, I don't tell them that I don't see this thing, that thing.
But you don't wear glasses.
Yes, upfront I don't tell them, but the minute they see me, they will know. So if I'm meeting someone, many people told me this. So I walked into an office, into a reception, straight into a person's office, CEO's office, and okay, I went there. The guy is right there, says hi, out of unwillingly or whatever, because the minute they see you, says, oh shit, why is this guy coming into my office? How would I even meet him? Should I shake his hand or should I nod my head? How would I even greet him? That is a level of
Very sad.
apprehension that people will have when you go there. But the minute you start speaking, within a minute or two, that's when they get up and come and hug you. Because they roll down their tears. Their face becomes stronger. Their face becomes happier from a blank face. Their face becomes fulfilling. Then end of the day, their life becomes contemptuous and they feel, wow, today I met a person that inspired me. I think that
you leave a mark.
Transition, yes.
You leave a
That
mark.
transition is what is important. You see, I'm all about changing perceptions of the people for a change.
I agree to that.
Because everything is for a change. See, I'm here. Maybe God has sent me without the privilege of eyesight to give that vision to people and prove that the perceptions need to be changed.
If you were, normally abled like everybody else and not specially abled like how you are,
I could not have done anything.
you could have, not just that, it would have never left an impression.
Exactly.
You
I
know,
would have been
one
a
of
regular person.
many kinds, one of
Exactly.
many kinds.
Exactly.
So because your whole desire of your birth had to be
Absolutely.
special, you had to go
Had to
through
be
that
special
journey.
because I need to do something and create my own legacy before I leave this world. And God has a purpose for me.
Correct.
And that purpose is what I think I have realized it way early on in making a change that I want to be seen. Because I don't wait for someone to make change. In fact, I will walk right into the problem and say, मैं इसको करके दिखाऊंगा. Because I wanted to witness the change that I
मैंने सुना है that you have a habit of winning.
Absolutely. अभी
Tell me about it.
मुझे वो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था until recently. मुझे अगर एक मार्क कम मिलता था ना किसी से क्लासरूम में किसी कॉम्पिटिटर से, मुझे इतना गुस्सा आता था कि उसको नोट्स पूरा फाड़ दूं. अरे इतना, and I used to cry like hell.
And
Then after 7th 8th grade वो बंद हो गया. फिर भी ये जीत हार जो नहीं माना है, but I never also take an answer for a no. Even today I will not take an answer for a no. That's a different issue. But मुझे एक ही चीज मुझे नहीं आता था until recently is किसी को apologize करो. I never felt like I need to apologize someone because I don't think I did anything wrong. But now जैसे एज के साथ, विजडम के साथ, ये महसूस हुआ कि when you apologize someone,
You become
that
greater.
you become greater and you become spiritually calmer and peaceful.
It's a great feeling.
Exactly.
It's like lightening
Exactly.
yourself up.
I think वो मुझे इतना मेहनत के बाद महसूस हुआ by the hard way. तो
See,
मैं अभी
because
one
आपसे
interview में बोलता हूँ,
बचपन-
अरे यार so sorry. अगर कोई मुझे आके डैश किया एयरपोर्ट में उधर so sorry, मैं खुद बोल देता हूँ कि then they become insecure and say sir really sorry please. I think that feeling leaves you with no ambiguity and no enmity, no hard feelings. It's all calm and mind has nothing.
You just become fresh.
Exactly.
It's like cleaning up.
Exactly.
तो मुझे बताइए, मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों की तरफ से एक सवाल पूछ रही हूँ. In schools in today's time, children get bullied a lot, and you said, "I bully the bully."
Exactly. I was no exception. I was also bullied, but मैंने bully को bully की तरफ नहीं
तो एक
देखा है.
example
Reverse
दीजिए.
उसको bully करता हूँ.
एक एग्जाम्पल दीजिए, क्या हुआ था ऐसा, कब सीखा ये?
I don't think there is any betrayal from the country because, see, on IIT coaching centers would have said, "अरे यार आप हमको नहीं चाहिए," क्योंकि not that they don't want me, they don't know how to teach me. It's not the airlines who never allowed me to fly. It's the person who is working that day on the shift had a different feeling in the heart and mind. कि airline का policy तो बहुत पहले से ही था. You cannot blame an airline, but the person who behaved maybe rough or whatever, again, it is your duty to change him or her. Today, if I see them, they will receive me with lot of laughter and warmth, you know.
So
I think
beautiful.
That's what you win. Today, once upon a time, I was not allowed to fly on my own once or twice or thrice, but now I am the preferred passenger on their aircrafts. Today, in fact, on the Air India plane, I was traveling from Hyderabad to Delhi, and the crew was telling me, "Sir, आपको हम लोग दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट में देख रहे हैं, लेकिन हम देख रहे हैं और हम सोचे कि ये हमारा प्लेन में क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, किस प्लेन में जा रहा है. Today we are lucky to have you on board. Oh, picture ले लेंगे." I think it's such a warm
So
feeling,
beautiful.
right? So
So
everybody
beautiful.
wanted you. I think now I am a blessed man because my story has resonated some way, somehow, somewhere as part of common everyday Indian. And now I don't belong to one family. Now I'm not a family. Now I don't belong to my own parents. I belong to the whole country or this Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, right? The whole family, a big nation. And I'm very proud to be in a country where the Vasudhaiva Kutumbam concept is still preached and practiced and followed.
Do you have an NGO?
Yes.
And what kind of people do you work towards?
So we want to always empower and empathize those whom nobody wants to do. For example, people who are at the margins of the society, people who are underprivileged, people who are less empathetic, or people who are challenged in some way or the other. Those are the people we want to uplift and make sure they regain their independence, social status, belongingness in their families. I think those.
Are you doing something for teaching, education, learning, and mental motivation of visually impaired?
अभी कर नहीं रहा है, करना जरूरी है.
लगता है ना आपको करना जरूरी है?
लगता है.
Which is so right. I felt that this is a very important purpose.
Because people who are challenged feel like they have lost everything. in
No,
life.
they just don't have any hope.
Exactly, hope.
They have no
I mean,
hope.
everywhere I go, I meet people who said, "Sir, कल तक मेरा hope कुछ नहीं थे. आज you have given me so much hope after seeing your story or hearing you. अभी मैं सब कुछ कर देता हूँ." अब लोग बोलता है कि सर you have inspired us so much. हम लोग बाहर जाके जो कुछ करेंगे पता ही नहीं, हमको रोक नहीं सकते कोई. मैं immediately prank pull up करता हूँ कि अरे यार बॉम्ब तो मत फोड़ो कहीं जाके. So I think I always make things lighter. So I think that's what I always do. And मैं ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ सर, the same feeling के साथ मैं बोलता हूँ because one day there's one woman came to me in one of the events and said, "You have inspired us so much कि हमको मालूम नहीं है कि हम जो कुछ कर जाएंगे जाके, मैम जाके किसी को मत मारना."
तो मुझे
I think that's the way, and they laugh and I laugh. I think that is how you leave a long-lasting impact on people.
yes, by making it lighter and humorous.
Exactly.
I completely.
Yet the subject is driven.
It is true. You leave an impact, and it's
Yes.
not too heavy
Yes.
for the heart to remember and
Exactly.
understand.
And I go to hotels and ask them. So they ask me, sir, do you need an accessible room? I tell them, sir, I hope I can manage with my hands and legs. I don't need accessible room because accessible room is not for blind people. You
Correct.
should understand that fact. It is for people with physical disabilities.
Correct.
मेरे में तो कोई physical disability है ही नहीं है. So that's how I make things lighter and say, I hope I am okay with my in terms of my hands and legs. Then they laugh. Immediately they understand my satire and they laugh.
This is beautiful. So tell me, what you like most on a woman, and you've only known your wife as a woman closest to you. What is the attire you like the most? Sari,
I
Suit.
think I like
jeans?
no sari for sure,
Yeah,
and traditional wear and sari.
you like
And
it?
I always push my wife to wear saris for any pujas events, and she also likes saris, so that way she looks good on traditionals. And I really feel happy when the women of my choice wear saris.
You do?
Yes.
And mom also wears?
yes.
And who other women of your choice should wear saris?
I think most women who's in leadership roles, commanding roles, I think if they wear saris, they look better. Their presentation comes out very positively. I think that's just the bias, I think, but that's the feeling.
And what's your favorite food?
I eat anything and everything that once moved.
That once moved.
Yeah.
Once moved. Wow.
But अभी तो live तो नहीं खा सकते ना, once moved only ना. So you just kill it and eat it. So I think I am a pure non-vegetarian. So you couldn't get my satire in the first place, but slowly you got it.
Yes, because I'm a vegetarian, तो मैं सोच ही नहीं पाती. मुझे लगता है जो चीज हिल गई ये तो अब मैं नहीं खाऊंगी.
You should say, I will not eat anything
That moves.
moved in the past.
Yeah. So you like spicy food or non-spicy?
Yes, I do. I moderately spicy, but any non-vegetarian, mainly seafood. I'm a seafood fan, and I love seafood, especially crabs, prawns, fish, and mutton, biryani. I really love. My wife is a great cook, and I was, in fact, after coming from US and all, I was not finding good brownie anywhere. All the 5-star hotels were making pieces of bread or fully sugar coated, less chocolate. And I never liked brownies or mud pie cakes and all. But my wife fulfilled that fantasy by making and always makes yummy, lovely brownies. That
Yeah,
I think
I'm
nowhere
tempted
is
already. I've left sugar, but I'm dying to have it.
I think she makes brownies with 70% chocolate, which is way good. I mean, she has a very great taste.
Oh God, I'm tempted already.
In terms of-
Let's not go there. I won't find it.
You come home, we will give you.
That is very, very sweet of you.
And now अभी मेरा जिंदगी भी बहुत आसान हो गया है. मुझे कपड़ा वपड़ा सब वही सेलेक्ट करेगा, तो I don't have to spend lot of efforts in understanding what kind of shoes I need to buy or clothes I need to buy. So she has a very good taste. She's a good design. She's a good kind of trendy person who keeps research all the time about fashion and the kind of appliance she needs at home. So I get puzzled when I look at the cooking vessels. They are so heavy, and I ask her, you're spending half of the gas heating those vessels. And she keeps telling me, no. Once it's hot,
But
it
can you
will
cook?
retain a lot of temperature.
But can you cook?
No, I don't cook. Yes, I can cook, but I am so lazy to do anything now because my wife doesn't even let me do it. So she.
But have
does
you cooked in
everything.
past?
Yes, in the US, yes.
You did? And
Yes.
what all?
Rice, eggs, pancakes, and little things.
Wow.
Bread toasting, sandwich,
Pancakes also.
bagels, egg and cheese bagel, those kind of things.
This is amazing. I mean, you're just perfect. I mean,
See, I washed my own clothes. I cleaned my own toilets. I did everything of my own. I never depend on anyone for anything, and until it is just done for me.
And
as
I'm
a-
amazed you are here at a new location, a new home, and you don't have an assistant with you.
Yeah.
Nobody's here with you, and you just walked
No,
in.
that's the beauty. I don't.
You don't like to be
no,
dependent.
No. I don't like to be noticed. Let me put it that way. Because I don't like to be a specimen. Rather, I like to be a person who belong everywhere.
Which is beautiful, like if I go somewhere, I need somebody.
Yes, that's what today, I think through you, that's what I really want to say out to people कि भाई तुम लोगों को कोई भी disability होगा, but that's not your blessing to or that's not your disguise, or rather it's in fact it's a blessing to learn more. But if you, and also it's not your entitlement, because most of the people out there feel like their disability is their entitlement कि मैं disabled हूँ इसलिए मुझे सब कुछ फ्री में चाहिए, सब लोग मुझे सब कुछ करना है. Nothing goes that way. Nothing happens that way.
No, you don't
Right.
work on S of sympathy also.
Exactly.
You're like
You
far
don't need
away.
sympathy. You only need empathy and an opportunity to thrive. Sympathy किसी के लिए भी count
It's very
नहीं है.
saddening. Sympathy is
Yes.
very saddening to
Very
do and to
saddening.
receive both.
Okay, I know, because if I'm standing, see, I told you I don't want to be noticed. If I'm waiting on the road somewhere, na, if you are waiting versus if I'm waiting, if you are waiting, no one notices. But if I'm waiting, लोग आके पूछता है कुछ हेल्प चाहिए, कहीं जाना है क्या? अरे अरे भाई, तुम अपना काम संभाल लो ना. अगर मुझे चाहिए तो मैं बोलूंगा ना. I think that's how I tell people. That's why
I have to share that incident. I wasn't in astrology then, and I was just thinking there is this desire for me to do something, and I was already pretty approximately 26 years old. It was like a lost
How much?
26 years old.
Oh,
Then
okay.
I'm 41 now.
But you look too young.
I look, oh my God, that's mesmerizing. I do look little younger than what I am. So I was almost lost, and I have this little.
And by the way, I like your Bulgarian rose perfume.
Wow, it's like you're winning my heart. Thank you. So I was just lost, and I have this little thing from my childhood to be very empathetic and close to people where I should be, So I was just crossing in my car, and I saw these two people who couldn't see standing on one side of the road. And I just stopped my car, taking a U-turn to the other side, and I rushed and crossed the road. And I said, can I help you? Do you want to cross the road? Because they were maybe from the blind school around, and they were struggling to cross. And
Yeah.
like people are so damn insensitive to like rush the car as if something is getting missed in life. Anyways, and they said yes. There were two of them. I held their hands and I crossed the road. Now, the moment I crossed the road and I came back and sat in the car, the same night I had this vision that I have to do something which has to do about guiding people, and
Yeah.
eventually astrology happened.
Oh, nice.
And it happened twice to me when I just felt that there is something missing. And the moment I do that, it changes so much on me. And now, being an astrologer, 80% of my remedies are where I tell people that you have to go to a organization where they're visually,
Correct.
people, and you have to
I
go
think
and
astrology, in your way, is guiding for results, right? I think it's a great
yes,
way.
and when they do it, I mean, there's several clients of
Yeah.
mine who go to different schools, and I don't talk about blind associations which are fancy and posh where they don't even
Right.
have ability to absorb more food and stuff.
It's not only that, ma'am. In India, people who write policies for people with disabilities doesn't even know how to maybe spell the word disability. And sorry for saying, but that's the plight of our own system. And people should be sensitized when they make policies for people who are challenged, and they should know how these people are living lives, how these people are struggling, how these people are attaining to attain. I mean, trying to attain legal.
Shrikant ji, I have always said to everybody that sarkar or sanskar, it's a two parallel phenomena. When they match and they meet, it's great.
It's great.
But if they don't,
Yes.
the sanskar cannot
Yes.
die. It
Again,
cannot go.
Exactly, that's what I was about to say. One thing is policy making need to be improved and all. That's said and done.
Correct.
But how far will you wait? जो
Nothing,
आपने
it's
संस्कार
right
बोला
now.
था, that is what I really want to do.
So one of my clients, he now from years I've put him into this blind schools in Ghaziabad and one in Faridabad, and he goes and kids are very happy. Bhaiya, aaj hum
Yeah.
chole bhature khayenge.
Yeah.
This time on Diwali, he asked I said, what are you giving to the kids? He came and met me. He said, everybody said कि हमारे यहाँ पे 5 रूम है, एक रूम में 10 बच्चे सोते हैं on bunker beds. So we want Alexa for one room each. And I was like thrilled. I said, see, how sweet is that?
तो वो लोग गाना सुनते हैं और सब कुछ बात कर सकते हैं.
You know,
And
it's
they
not
can
just that.
entertain
It's
them.
about when people know what to do with their money and they get a right purpose. It's a great feeling. You share, you don't donate, you share. Because जब आप जाकर करते हैं is where your empathizing energy
Yes.
gets activated. जब आप भेज देते हैं, it's
Correct.
charity.
Yeah.
Nobody needs charity.
Nobody needs.
People needs empathy.
Absolute. And you know, this is what I really feel, because every time when I say I want to become the first visually challenged president of our own country, Bharat, people tell me, why president post is a dummy post? Why don't you become a prime minister? I told them, मुझे पॉलिसी नहीं बनना है, मुझे एक ट्रांजिशन बनना है, एक बदलाव लाना है लोगों में, कि माइंडसेट को चेंज करना है, एम्पैथाइज करना और इंस्पायर करना. उसके लिए तो मुझे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनना जरूरी थोड़ी है, लेकिन आई वांट टू वर्क इन द लाइन्स ऑफ माय ओन रोल मॉडल Abdul Kalam, who had never been into politics, but he is the one who had left lasting impact, lasting legacy on 1.5 billion
I
people
love
of
him.
India.
He was an amazing man.
And I want to be him
Hmm.
in the next generation. That's what I tell them. You know, it's the sanskar, it's the self change we as individuals need to bring in, and we as individuals need to develop ourselves. कि तभी होगा ना, आप बढ़ो, देश को बढ़ाओ. अगर आप नहीं बढ़ेंगे आगे, देश कैसे बढ़ेगा आगे? गवर्नमेंट कितना भी करने दो, देश आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा जब तक आपका मन में बदलाव नहीं आए.
So who's your favorite politician?
I'm
Today's
not
time.
into politics.
पर कैसे जाएंगे जब if you're not into politics?
नहीं, Abdul Kalam was never into politics.
Correct, but he still belonged to a party.
No, he never. He was nominated.
He had correct,
No,
but he
no,
had
he-
ideologies.
No,
Con-
he never
Being
had
closer to
ideology.
one party,
No, I don't think so.
of course.
I don't think so.
But अगर न्यूज देखते हैं, कौन सा लीडर अच्छा लगता है? किसके बारे में सुनकर अच्छा लगता है? किसकी
नहीं,
बायोग्राफी अच्छी लगती है? It's okay. It's
I think
okay.
I like every little thing in every person, because maybe एक पार्टी एक अच्छा काम किया होगा, दूसरा पार्टी दूसरा काम अच्छा किया होगा. So I love everybody because they are trying their best to make India the beautiful country. And I'm I love our defense forces. I love our armed forces who are tirelessly working to keep our country safe, to allow us to sleep peacefully. Because when you see what's happening in the world, I think end of the day you feel you are in a safe country,
I agree. To that.
and you are in a stable country.
And you have
with
a good
stable
leader.
governance,
Yes.
with stable governance, and we are more than happier. I think India is witnessing a lot of terrific growth.
Absolutely.
Infra is unfolding its development. Lot of things are changing. Railways are changing. अब पुरानी जमाना में रेलवे सिर्फ बेकार बनता था, लेकिन अभी look at वंदे भारत, sleeper coaches, everything.
गए आप
They are-
वंदे भारत में?
Not yet. I think I've seen it, but I haven't gone. Maybe I should sometime.
Yeah, you must. So मुझे बताइए, गाने सुनते हैं आप?
Yes.
Which Hindi song is your favorite?
Mainly I listen to music while in the car or on the aeroplane or on the flights. So I think अभी आज की जमाना में तू मिल गया from Shrikant movie is my best favorite.
Yeah. और इससे पहले कौन सा था?
इसके पहले वो विक्रम बत्रा में एक सॉन्ग था, रोमांटिक सॉन्ग बिटवीन द कपल्स ना, दैट सॉन्ग, एंड देन couple of them are.
तो अपनी वाइफ के लिए कौन सा गाना सुनाया आपने?
मैं तो अपना गाना सुनाया हूँ, और क्या गाना सुना?
उससे पहले कोई गाना नहीं सुनाया? मूवी से
नहीं,
पहले
नहीं।
इतना टाइम हो गया
मैं तो
शादी
इतना
को.
बात करता हूँ कि गाना सुनाने के लिए क्या टाइम रहेगा?
तो जो बायोपिक है वो 100% ट्रू है?
Yes, 98%.
ब्यूटीफुल. तो कौन से 2% ट्रू नहीं है?
नहीं, आपके I mean
तड़का ज्यादा डाल दिया.
It's a commercial film.
I agree.
You need creative liberty rights. You need few changes. Few fictitious elements need to be put in. I think things happen, and but it has come out really well, and I'm very, very happy that it has created hopes for many people.
It does. So हम एक छोटा सा गेम खेलेंगे. इस गेम के बाद आपको गिफ्ट मिलेगा. वो गिफ्ट फ्रेग्रेंस
क्या
बिल्कुल
हम
नहीं
कौन
है,
बनेगा करोड़पति में है क्या?
नहीं, पर उससे कम भी नहीं है।
अच्छा, उससे कम नहीं है तो चलो 1 करोड़ मिल जाएगा मुझे कंपनी के लिए।
आपको 1 करोड़ की कहाँ जरूरत है, अब तो आपके देने के दिन आ गए हैं, मांगने कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप। सो ये आपको गिफ्ट तब मिलेगा जब आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब देंगे, और आपको उसके लिए 10 सेकंड
मुझे
मिलेंगे।
तो मिल ही गया है ना, जो परफ्यूम आप लोग यहाँ यूज करे उसका सैंपल तो खींच ही लिया हो।
सैंपल गिफ्ट थोड़ी ना है, गिफ्ट तो गिफ्ट है। तो आपको 10 सेकंड मिलेंगे, मैं एक वर्ड बोलूंगी और उसको आपको मटेरियल फॉर्म में मुझे जवाब देना है कि व्हाट दैट फीलिंग और दैट वर्ड मींस इन मटेरियल फॉर्म। 10 सेकंड, तो टोटल 3 सवाल और 10-10 सेकंड। इफ यू लूज तो फिर मैं आपकी मे बी आपका ब्लेजर रख लेंगे, इट विल फिट मी इन सम वे और द
पूरा
अदर।
पूरा खींच लोगे क्या? कम से कम नंगा तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे?
नहीं, शर्ट और पैंट में भेजेंगे।
हैदराबाद जाना है, लोग मारेगा फ्लाइट में।
नहीं मारेगा आपको। सो अब ये तब मिलेगा जब आप ये बोलेंगे, ये गिफ्ट मेरे साथ में है बट यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू अनफोल्ड इट। सो फर्स्ट वर्ड, ओके? जब मैं बोलती हूँ पावर, what is one word that you would like to give a synonym of power in a material form? What does power mean to you?
Power? I think the emotional connect between wife and husband.
Is power to you?
Yeah.
Beautiful. किसी ने ये जवाब नहीं दिया और कोई आगे देगा भी नहीं।
नहीं, वो see, I think world works on that power, which is emotional power, mental power. I think yeah, otherwise
वाइफ के अलावा गर्लफ्रेंड से भी तो मिल सकता है ना ये।
लेकिन उसमें सिर्फ बायोलॉजिकल नीड फुलफिल होता है, लेकिन प्यार मिलता नहीं है।
गर्लफ्रेंड से भी तो प्यार मिलता है।
और,
अब आपको नहीं मिला तो मालूम थोड़ी ना किसी और को नहीं मिलेगा। ये तो कोई बात नहीं हुई।
I don't think
आपको तो सीधा वाइफ मिली ना, गर्लफ्रेंड कहाँ मिली?
So I think first and last मैं तो हैप्पी हूँ, तो ठीक है।
Wonderful. So for you, power means the emotional connect that you get from your partner. Could be anybody.
So that's why even the more I travel also, because 5-star hotels, top 10-star hotels or villas, lavish luxury royal suites doesn't excite me. मुझे रात में घर जाना, अपने लोगों को देख के अपने लोगों के साथ रहना, that is what gives me peace.
Beautiful. Does Nana hug you when you come back?
वो उसको तो इतना छोटा है, मैं जाके जबरदस्ती आगे उसको करना पड़ेगा। अभी बड़ा बनेगा, then I think she will.
Of course she will.
But I get very much unwinding. I get so relaxed when I keep looking at her, because she's very pretty, beautiful.
I have to see the picture.
I will show you post this.
Yes. So now the second word is prosperity. The moment I say prosperity, what does it mean to you?
I think giving compassion for people around you. That's prosperity for me. And doing things that you love to make up next big impact is what is your prosperity.
And what does peace mean to you?
I think end of the day, if you can sleep well without any regrets and without any anger on people around you, I think that's what is peace.
टन
तो मुझे गिफ्ट मिल गया।
देखिए,
चलो, थैंक यू सो मच।
मैं पहले खोलिए,
मैं तो
निकालिए।
ले लेता हूँ मैं।
ये तो आप ही का है।